Look up at the night sky. What you see is a vast, shimmering canvas, seemingly uniform, evenly sprinkled with galaxies like glitter across black velvet. That even spread, that cosmic calm, is the bedrock of our understanding of the universe. It's called the cosmological principle, and it screams that on the grandest scales, the cosmos is the same everywhere you look. It's the universe's ultimate rule, the very foundation of the Big Bang itself. But then, we found it, 10 billion light years across. A colossal, impossible wall of galaxies that carves a gaping wound in that perfect cosmic fabric. It's the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, and it shouldn't exist. How can something this big possibly be here when the universe isn't old enough to build it? For decades, cosmologists built their entire understanding of the universe on a single, elegant pillar, the cosmological principle. Picture it. If you zoomed out far enough, past galaxies, past clusters, past superclusters, the universe would look like a perfectly mixed cosmic cocktail. No clumps, no voids, just a smooth, even distribution of matter. This wasn't just a pretty idea. It was the fundamental assumption that allowed the Big Bang model to work. It dictated how gravity shaped the cosmos, how light traveled, how everything evolved. It screamed that the universe was simple, predictable, fair. Then, in 2013, the universe screamed a different truth. Astronomers, sifting through the violent, fleeting flares of gamma-ray bursts, stumbled upon something impossible, a gargantuan structure, a filament of galaxies and quasars, stretching an unimaginable 10 billion light-years across. Imagine a cosmic superhighway, but instead of asphalt, it's paved with millions of galaxies, each a city of billions of stars. This was the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. It wasn't just big, it was obscene. It shattered the very notion of a smooth, uniform cosmos. It defied the cosmological principle with a brutal, undeniable punch. The problem wasn't just its existence, it was its age. Our universe is only 13.8 billion years old. Light from one end of this colossal wall would take 10 billion years to reach the other. How could gravity, even at the speed of light, possibly sculpt something so immense, so intricate, in such a relatively short cosmic lifespan? It's like finding a fully grown redwood tree just weeks after planting a seed. The universe simply hasn't had the time to build such a monster. This wall wasn't just a discovery, it was a cosmic crime scene, and the victim was the very principle that defined our universe. This structure, a cosmic titan, challenges the very timeline of reality. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall isn't just a deviation. It's a cosmic anomaly that rips a hole in the fabric of our most cherished theories. The standard model of cosmology, the one we teach in textbooks, relies on the universe being isotropic, looking the same in all directions, and homogeneous, having uniform density on large scales. The Great Wall spits in the face of both. It's a colossal, lumpy preferential direction in a universe that should have none. This isn't just a bigger galaxy cluster. It's a fundamental breakdown of the cosmic order. Think of it like this. The Big Bang Theory describes a universe that began incredibly hot and dense, then rapidly expanded, cooling and smoothing out over billions of years. Gravity then slowly, patiently, began to gather matter into stars, then galaxies, then clusters. It's a painstakingly slow process. Even at the speed of light, gravity needs time to exert its pull across vast distances. To build something 10 billion light-years long, you need 10 billion years just for the information about gravity's pull to cross that distance. Our universe is barely old enough for light from one end of this wall to reach the other, let alone for the entire structure to form and cohere. It's like watching a single brick being laid, and then, in the very next second, finding a fully constructed skyscraper. The math simply doesn't add up. This isn't a small discrepancy, it's a catastrophic one. The existence of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall forces cosmologists to confront a terrifying possibility. Either the universe is much older than we think, or the cosmological principle, that elegant, simplifying assumption, is fundamentally flawed. If the principle is wrong, then our models of the Big Bang, dark matter, dark energy, and even the very expansion of space might be built on sand. It's a crisis at the deepest level of cosmic understanding. The wall is a direct challenge to the very concept of cosmic causality. How could regions of space so far apart, regions that have never been in causal contact, somehow coordinate to form such a massive, coherent structure? It's as if two strangers on opposite sides of the Earth, who have never met or communicated, suddenly started building identical halves of a bridge, perfectly meeting in the middle. The universe should not allow for such impossible synchronicity. It hints at forces or mechanisms far beyond our current grasp. Perhaps even a universe that is not as simple or as flat as we assume. The Great Wall is not just a collection of galaxies. It's a defiant middle finger to our most cherished cosmic rules, screaming that something is profoundly, terrifyingly wrong with our understanding of reality. If this cosmic mystery captivates your mind and chills you to the bone, smash that like button and subscribe. Join us as we unravel the universe's most impossible secrets, the Hercules Corona Borealis. Great Wall forces us into a terrifying reevaluation of the universe itself. If such a structure can exist, what does that imply about the very beginning of everything? One radical idea pushes the boundaries of our sanity. The universe isn't just expanding, it underwent an explosive, incomprehensibly fast growth spurt in its first fractions of a second, a period known as cosmic inflation. Inflation theory was originally designed to solve other nagging problems with the Big Bang, the flatness problem and the horizon problem. But now it might be the only escape hatch from the Great Wall paradox. Imagine the universe not as a slow-growing seedling, but as a quantum foam bubbling with infinite potential. During inflation, this foam expanded at a rate so mind-bendingly fast that it stretched microscopic quantum fluctuations into cosmic proportions. A tiny ripple, smaller than an atom, could be blown up to the size of a galaxy cluster in less than a blink. If this inflationary epoch was long enough or violent enough, it could have stretched an initial pre-existing density fluctuation, a cosmic lump, to the scale of the Great Wall. This would mean the wall isn't a violation of the cosmological principle, but rather a fossilized imprint of the universe's earliest, most extreme moments. But this solution comes with its own terrifying implications. If inflation stretched tiny quantum quirks into colossal structures, then what else did it stretch? What other impossible anomalies are lurking out there, waiting to be discovered? Each one a relic of a universe far more chaotic and unpredictable than we dare to imagine. It suggests that the smoothness we observe on smaller scales is merely a local illusion, a tiny patch of calm in a cosmos that is fundamentally lumpy and wildly uneven on truly immense scales. The Great Wall then becomes a window, peering back into a primordial epoch where space itself ripped apart at speeds beyond comprehension, leaving behind scars that persist across billions of light years. This means the universe might not be the uniform, predictable entity we once believed. Instead, it could be a vast, fractured landscape, born from a violence so profound that its echoes still ripple across cosmic distances. The Great Wall in this context isn't a mistake, it's a direct consequence of the universe's explosive birth. It screams that the universe itself is a wild, untamed beast, capable of generating structures so vast they defy our very concept of scale and time. It pushes the boundaries of cosmic causality, implying that the seeds of these impossible structures were sown in an instant, before light itself could even bridge the gaps between them. The wall is a cosmic echo, a reminder that the universe's beginning was not a gentle unfolding, but a cataclysmic, reality-shattering event. If the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is a relic of cosmic inflation, then it forces us to confront an even more unsettling truth. The universe we inhabit might just be one bubble in an infinite, frothing multiverse. Inflation, particularly eternal inflation, suggests that once it starts, it never truly stops. Instead of one big bang, there could be an endless stream of them, each one birthing a new pocket universe with its own unique set of physical laws, its own constants, its own timeline. The Great Wall in this terrifying scenario isn't just a large structure, it's a boundary, a ripple in the cosmic ocean where our bubble might be bumping up against another, or perhaps even a direct consequence of the collision of two such universes. Imagine our universe as a single, expanding soap bubble. Eternal inflation posits that this bubble is constantly spawning new ones, each a universe unto itself. The Great Wall could be the cosmic equivalent of a seam, a point where the fabric of our bubble was stretched and distorted by the chaotic birth of another, or where it simply grew in an unexpected, non-uniform way. Due to the sheer, relentless nature of eternal inflation, this means the cosmological principle, while seemingly true within our observable bubble, might be utterly meaningless on the scale of the entire multiverse. We are just a tiny, local exception, a smooth patch in an infinitely lumpy, endlessly reproducing cosmic landscape. This vision of reality is both awe-inspiring and existentially terrifying. It transforms the Great Wall from a mere anomaly into a potential portal, a hint of something vast and incomprehensible beyond our cosmic horizon. It suggests that the laws of physics we cling to might merely be local customs, valid only within our particular cosmic bubble. In other universes, gravity might repel, time might flow backward, or light might travel at infinite speeds. The Great Wall, then, isn't just a structure, it's a cosmic whisper from an infinite family of realities, a reminder that our universe is not unique, not special, but merely one iteration in an endless cosmic experiment. The implications ripple through every branch of physics. If our universe is just a pocket, then its initial conditions, its fine-tuning for life, suddenly become less miraculous. It's not that our universe was perfectly designed, it's that in an infinite multiverse, every possible universe exists, and we simply happen to reside in one where the laws allow us to exist and observe it. The Great Wall, therefore, becomes a monument to this cosmic lottery, a testament to the brutal, chaotic, yet ultimately creative power of eternal inflation. It screams that the universe is not just bigger than we thought, it's fundamentally stranger, endlessly diverse, and far beyond any single unifying principle we might try to impose upon it. We are not alone in the cosmos, but potentially just a single fragile leaf on an infinitely branching tree of realities with a Hercules corona borealis Great Wall, a gnarled root reaching into the unknown. The Hercules corona borealis Great Wall, a structure of impossible scale, a cosmic contradiction that screams defiance at our most fundamental understanding of the universe. It is a monument to cosmic violence, a fossilized echo of a primordial epoch when space itself tore itself apart. It challenges the very concept of time, of causality, of the smooth, even tapestry we once believed the cosmos to be. Whether it's a direct violation of the cosmological principle, a stretching of quantum ripples from inflation's furious birth, or a terrifying hint of a multiverse beyond our wildest dreams, one truth remains: the universe is stranger, more complex, and infinitely more terrifyingly beautiful than we ever dared to imagine. This isn't just about a wall of galaxies. It's about the limits of our knowledge, the fragility of our assumptions, and the endless mind-bending mysteries that still lurk in the cosmic darkness. The universe doesn't care about our theories. It simply is. And sometimes it throws a 10 billion light-year curveball that shatters everything we thought we knew. The Great Wall stands as a cosmic sentinel, reminding us how much more there is to discover and how small our understanding truly remains. Tell me what you liked or disliked about this video. What do you think could be changed to make it better? I read every comment and will respond to every suggestion.